Alright, this is a ceramic tile project that we're doing here. It's going to have 13-inch tile like this, and it's going to go on this wall. So we're going to, it's real important to try to match this and these tiles so that they the pattern matches and goes across all the way over here. So that's what we're doing now, is breaking down the mats. What we've been using is a border on this edge, and we've got to get some more for over there. That allows for, you know, not being a ceramic tile edge on this corner. So it's nice, smooth, easy to clean. You can get in a variety of different colors. But there are also ways to put ceramic tile right directly on the corners. They have pieces made especially for that. In this case, we're doing something like this. Alright, here we are getting ready to put this material that we're used to hold to the wall, and you can see what it is. This is from Lowe's. And I'm going to use an inexpensive trowel because it's at their expense, and I don't need a high dollar one, and this is not a big job. And this is the look of the material. It'll be with that kind of rise, so it'll adhere to the back side of this tile real good. So here I am getting ready to put it in the areas that I marked mathematically and make sure it'll fit. And you can put it on flat and then wipe it down, which I might end up using a 6-inch knife to wipe it on, and then pull it down with this 3/8 notch trowel. But this first one is going to go right here, and I'm going to stay within my marks just because I want to make sure everything fits good. Alright. This won't dry real quick, but it dries pretty quick. Here are my spacers. I got a screw holding me off, or warping the wall. Alright, I'll leave my spacers there. Okay, there's the first one. Hey guys, this is what it's shaping up to be. Taking care to make sure everything is even and square. The distances are the same. It's a lot of work, but once you do it, it's done. It has a real nice look. We're down here working on these pieces down low, and I'm trying to make it fall out so that this will be ending about where it would have been if it carried on through. And we're going to take another view with Tim cutting those little pieces, and maybe he'll screw up right in front of us. It'll be great to watch. So that's what we're headed to next. We've got screws holding this up, but probably by now we can take those screws out, because this mastic sets up real quick. We did the little piece way over here, and got a spacer there, and check the spacer here. So we're just down to 2 more pieces, and then we'll start putting grout in all these areas that have already dried, and we'll